Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Today we are going to learn how to make kids rakhi. So take a paper of 10 by 10 centimeter and fold it as shown in video. Fold it in half and paste it. Give a triangular cut on one side. Make two fans and paste together to form a circle. There are three options. Option 1, you can paste a sticker, or you can paste artificial flowers, or you can make a paper cutout and write your desired message and then decorate it with artificial flowers and stones. Paste the prepared designs on a ribbon. So your first design is ready. For design 2, take a circular glitter foam sheet and paste a desired alphabet on it. Make 2 holes and tie a wool or ribbon through it. Now you can decorate it with stickers and stones. So your third design is If you want to learn how to make couple rakhi, please click on the link given above. For the third design, paste a circular glitter foam sheet on a ribbon and paste 2 triangular shapes on it. Paste a smaller circle on it and also smaller triangular shapes. Write your desired message on the prepared rakhi. For design 4, paste colorful artificial flowers on a ribbon. If you want to learn how to make rakhi mask set, click on the link given above. For design 5, tie around 35 to 40 rounds of wool around your fingers. Pull it out and tie a knot in the center. Now cut out both sides. Now flatten the pom-pom and give it a proper shape. Place the pom-pom on a ribbon and paste a wooden cutout or sticker on it. And now our design 5 is ready. For design 6, paste a gota flower on a gota ribbon. Paste artificial pollens and flowers on it for decoration. Now stick stones on the gota lace and our design 6 is ready. If If you enjoy my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Thank you for watching my video.